In this video, I will tell you how to connect and install a Canon printer on Windows without needing complicated software or advanced setup knowledge. Open the Windows search bar, type printers and scanners, and open the settings menu. Make sure your Canon printer is switched on and connected correctly before continuing. You either need a USB cable connected directly to your computer or the printer connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your PC or laptop. Once that is ready, click Add Device and wait while Windows searches for printers nearby. Your Canon printer should appear automatically after a moment. Click on it and Windows will handle the driver installation for you automatically. If your printer does not appear, click Add a new device manually and choose the second option from the bottom exactly like shown in the video. Continue by clicking Next and your Canon printer should appear there instead. If neither method works, double-check the network connection, USB cable, and whether the printer setup was completed physically on the printer screen itself before trying to add it to Windows. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.